Congratulations. Not exactly a walk in the park on a sunny afternoon.
Yeah, well, it didn't really matter because we were fast on dry, and I think if the race would have carried on, my tyre was a bit better than Marco's, so I think I would have had the potential to win in the dry. And then with the wet, I just tried to push as hard as possible. I mean, it was very tricky. We were sliding a lot. There was a lot of water, but you know, I like the wet and I like Assen. So it's for me doing it. My first victory here in Assen is fantastic.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.